What is up, ladies and gents? We're back with the Camaro. Hopefully you can hear me. We got a diesel heater going. It's like 20 degrees outside. Isaiah's not down here right now. He's pooping. But we got a crap ton of parts that we need to put on this Camaro to get it running and driving again, because it is currently got nothing there. So we're taking it all apart. Now hopefully we'll make this more of a video about how to put it back together. Obviously I wasn't there for it, so I wasn't there for taking it apart, but I've done some front end stuff, and it's pretty self-explanatory. I feel like it's basically put the pieces that kind of line up in the right spot and hope it works. Then we just got to figure out how to adjust it to close enough to get it to an alignment shop so he can get it aligned, and after that we're done. Probably won't get the alignment shop part, but we can get it close enough to drivable and get that done in today's video, hopefully. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Alrighty, ladies and gents, we've got this one mocked up in there.
Sorry, look how good these spin.
I know. It's like whoop, 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 whoop. Yeah, so we need to take these newts off.
You want to go to the other side so then when I get over there?
No, I don't like you that much. And then we're gonna... What? Okay, that's weird. We're gonna take this. We're gonna feed that up into there. You wanna hold that up, Isaiah? Hold on. Hold this. Hold this. Hold this. Come on. I got this. Anyways. Are you recording? Yes. Alright, no. That jack's not holding anything. Okay.
Oh. No, it's not. You're right.
Now we screw that side down a little bit. Then we can turn that.
Oh, I understand now.
And then we just put that up there.
Here, grab this.
And then
hit the camera real quick.
oh, get my flingies out of the... Oh, there we go. Oh, I'm holding it barely. We got this, though.
They can't see anything.
No, they can't. Yeah, they can't see my flingy. That's all that matters. Yeah, got that screwed in. And then we got to find a way to...
We just got to basically take this out just a little bit and screw it in until it's right.
Yeah. Like that.
Never mind, I guess you do it now. No.
Well, we don't know if the wheels turn. So
it goes in.
So what we do
No,
before...
what I'm saying no to it goes in this way. It doesn't go in the other way.
How do you know that?
This is the old one, brother. It goes in this way.
How do you know that? I bet you if you flip that around, it lines up this direction.
Huh? No, it doesn't.
See, I told you.
It's the same thing, both ways.
No, I told you. Are you sure Yeah, no, we hit that down and out. It just don't make no sense like that.
That's how it goes.
And we just...
That's gonna have to... A little crooked there, bud.
Do I look like I know what straight is?
No, you don't.
But brother.
It's just a plastic cap. You also might want to straighten it out.
My shoulder is already dead, and I haven't even touched a part yet.
Yeah, there we go.
It still didn't go all the way through. But I don't have it turned right. Grab that knuckle and turn it. No, the steering knuckle, and turn it around a little bit.
Which way?
Other direction. Push it back. Other direction. Back. And back and forth. It's back and forth. Okay. Well. Okay. We're just gonna get a hammer and hit it down in. All right. We did it. By the way, turns out this goes with the whoop-de-doop-de part, because it swoops. It goes with the swoopy part backwards instead of swoopy part forward, because yeah, that's how it goes on that.
All right.
And now we smoked out by a diesel heater. We didn't want warmth anyways. Okay, anyways, I'll get that fixed a little bit. But yeah, so you just mock it up there, you put it up there like that, you put it up there like that, you got finger tight nut in your hand. And then, yeah, you just, we're doing the other side. And he's going to hang this black thing on there.
A little bit.
He's going to hang the black thing on there.
Because this is how it should be, but it's this way.
Well, you know what? We'll get that figured out in a minute. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Brother, can you turn it? Thank you. Thank you. We go. Yeah. Up in there. We got it up in there, and then you just. Yeah, brother. Yeah, brother. Stop moving. And there we go. Now he's gonna fight that end around.
Nope. That ain't moving. I can't get it to move like you did. I think I tightened this one a little bit more. With these.
Hold up. Hold up. Yeah, hurry up. Call me Mr. Sandman. I take that. We're gonna take this. We're gonna. There you go. And then we just. Same thing as the other side. Take it. And find a way to. Ow. That rotates. There we go. And then he gonna put his nut on me. Nut, something. He in focus mode.
Got
Focus mode. Oh, he's stroking. Yeah. Oh no.
Oh yeah.
Oh no.
Mocked up. It's just mocked up.
No, I don't like it. Wasn't mocked up enough. All right.
Alright, mocked up.
For my sakes, because I want to know how close. That's going to be decently straight on that side.
How straight is it over there?
That's what I'm looking at. Actually, that doesn't look terrible. How does that not look terrible? It's not good, but it's not terrible. Like, that's actually decently straight.
Let me use the wheel real quick.
Alrighty, so we've gotten both sides mocked up now, just loosely, but to do this, I believe, sort of correctly, we have figured out, because the shop we got it from didn't know what they were doing, and they told us that they messed with the steering wheel, so we figured out where center of both turns were. So it's 2.5 rotations from one lock to other, and we figured out where center from that is, and this is center. We'll take the steering wheel off later and then put it straight and get that all good. But since this is center, we have now got to get both wheels pointing at least semi-straight, and then that'll be redneck aligned enough to get it to a shop. But this one slightly points inward because the body panel up here slopes in and the tire goes with it. You can see that right there. It goes with the body panel. Whereas this side, it pokes against the body panel a little bit, since this side flares out way more than the tapered inside right here. See? It looks straight with the other one. Obviously, the top is leaning out a little bit because the suspension is drooped because of the jack stands right there and right over there. So we'll get that set up. This side's good. I ain't even gonna touch that because I ain't gonna get it any better. But this side over here, we're gonna undo one side, adjust it a little bit, figure out where that puts it, and then get it adjusted better, and we'll update you when we get that done. All right, here we go. We go and take the steering wheel and pop this clip off somehow, some way. I know it comes off there. Hey, I hope you don't mind.
I mean, no one gonna see the inside. Hopefully. This wheel is also gonna get replaced eventually. Is that even a... Oh yeah, it has to be a clip.
Yeah.
I see how it comes out.
How?
It's just gonna be a pain. I think... Yeah, it splits. So you have to basically pull it.
Why does the camera pick that up so well? Okay, well...
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I know what you're saying. I'm frustrated. Not frustrated, but stubborn. in my ways of being a booty head.
Yeah, but if you just do it the right
No.
way, it'll be easier.
No, I could do it the wrong way.
Like, hold on.
Okay, we're gonna do it the right way. Alrighty. Now, when you get that clip off there, you get your 13/60 socket,
Did you say 16 inches?
and then you get your impact. You shove it down in there, and you make sure you're on reversity, and you take that off,
That was easy.
just like that. And then hold that, holding that. Now you give it the old. That didn't work.
Hey, is there something else holding it in?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Steering wheels are not that complicated.
Pull it.
This we're gonna require a steering wheel puller. It shouldn't. Okay. Oh, we gotta get a steering wheel puller and pull it. All right. So we decided not to move with the steering wheel because I don't even carry no more. Nah, it's unnecessary.
Even though it's my car.
Yeah, it's unnecessary for now. There's other ways to adjust that out, I guess.
Yeah.
So, well, we did everything we're gonna do for tonight. There's
I'm
ball
doing-
joints that need to be done, but he's gonna
Those
do
are-
that tomorrow off
Yeah.
camera with his dad because
It takes
like
so long.
It's like gonna be so long on just one side, and it's not hard really. It's just time consuming.
Yeah.
You take off the strut, you take out the bottom of the spindle, you pull the spindle out, and then you press the damn thing out, put the new one in. It's just a whole ordeal, and it's not much content. Not worth. So.
No.
We're done for tonight. We have the new tie rods in, the new center link across, and all that. So it should be good. Should be fairly solid. And then, yeah, I mean,
That's all that?
it's fairly straight for just eyeballing it. So hopefully it'll be good enough to get them to a shop, get it aligned. But hopefully, if you guys did enjoy, you do remember to leave a like, maybe subscribe. We can see you guys in the next one. Peace.